Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Today we have a special little visitor in the studio. Abel is in here because my dog is just being a whiny butt today, you guys. Does anybody else have a Jack Russell or a Jack Russell mix and know how high maintenance they are? He is so well behaved 90% of the time, but that 10%, ooh, he gives me a run for my money. I'm totally unprepared today, you guys. I won't even lie to you, I'm unprepared. I've really been trying to be more organized in 2019, but today this dog, like I said, is really working on my last nerve. So, I am unprepared. Totally unprepared. Don't have a question prepared or nothing, so give me a uno momento to think of one. Cover your ears. What is your favorite breed of dog? Cover your ears. Mine is a Cavalier King Charles. I think they are the cutest dogs ever. I would never get one because I'm all about rescuing dogs. I'm all about that rescue life, so I would never purchase from a breeder. That's just me. It's not my thing. It's not my cup of tea. And also, I would never spend like $1,400 on a dog. Wouldn't do it. Wouldn't do it. All about the rescue life. I absolutely love my rescue pup here, even when he is working on my last nerve. He is my favorite little buddy, aren't you, boy? Are you my favorite little buddy? Oh, I love you so much. I love him so much, you guys. The reason I say those are my favorite breed is just because they are so cute. Oh my gosh, I literally think they are the cutest dogs I've ever seen in my life. Oh, he just left. He just left. He is offended that I would say such a thing. But something came in the mail, so of course I have to share it with you guys. Oh, my Boxycharm arrived, and I totally already dived in here. I looked, I played, I did all of the above. And you guys, if you're new here, I always do a giveaway every single Boxycharm or BoxyLuxe unboxing I do. And you guys, this time I'm giving away every item besides one. And that's how that's going to be. So if you want to see my unboxing and what I'm giving away, then just keep watching. He is in a mood, y'all. He is in a mood. He's putting me in a mood, I know that. Gosh, my camera is all set. Oh, I'm struggling today, you guys. Struggling. So, April's theme for the box is peace, love, and boxing. Boxycharm has been doing a lot of stuff on their social media talking about how it's festival season, so I definitely think that is where this idea comes from and the inspiration for the items in the box. I'm going to start with the item that I'm keeping for myself, and then we will just dive on into the giveaway. I love doing giveaways. I really do. I always look forward to pulling the giveaway winners. I have my Boxycharm giveaways run for 1 month, so when I receive my next box, that is when I will pull the winner for my last box. I was so on the fence about if I should just give away my entire box because I did not need this, but you guys, it was so tempting I had to try it out, and I'm going to insert a clip over top of me applying these eyeshadows. So the first item here is the Pure Complexion Authority Festival Palette. I know I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, but you guys, the colors are so beautiful, I had to keep it. It says, unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. $36. The colors are absolutely stunning. The Wild Child Hot Pink color is 100% what drew me to this palette, and then I saw the two glitters and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to try this. It's so beautiful. So I decided for my first test to use the little eyeshadow primer packet that came with it. It's the Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. It does work really well. It holds everything really well. I will say it makes blending out a little bit tricky because it really is a gripping primer, but it did a really good job. These shades are amazing. They're super pigmented. I went with the bold eye for my first look, and I cannot say I'm mad at it. I'm totally obsessed with how the look turned out. The hot pink is so pigmented. It's stunning. It really is like that perfect hot pink eyeshadow. Also the color Epic I've used twice now, and it is a really great transition shade. I will say it goes on the eye a little bit more orangey than I expected. It looked perfect for that hot pink look. My husband said my eyeshadow came together and looked like a sunset, and I totally agree. Everything's beautiful in here. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this, but everything goes together in like the perfect color story. You can get your everyday look like I did today, or you can get that really bold, fun festival vibe. This is my eyeshadow for the day. I wanted to do something a little bit more natural since I went a bit more bold yesterday. I think it turned out great. These eyeshadows just blend effortlessly, like I said, a really beautiful palette. Now let's dive on into the goodies that I am giving away to one lucky member of the Lash fam. Before we do that, I am going to go over just a few of the rules I have for my giveaways. Nothing crazy, and they will also be down in the description box for you guys to make it easy to follow along. First of all, of course, you have to be subscribed to my channel, a member of the Lash fam. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button, then just click it. It's literally this easy. Boop. That's how easy it is. And then the second step is you must be 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. I say this every time, but I just feel the need to say it every time. I cannot afford international shipping at this point. Maybe as my channel grows, I will be able to, but if you are an international subscriber, please know that I so appreciate you being here, and I'm sorry that I cannot do international giveaways yet, but I hope to one day. So if you're entering, please make sure you are 18 years of age with a USA mailing address. And then the last step is please comment down below with hashtag I love my Lash family. It helps me keep track of who's really entering the giveaway versus who's just commenting on my video. And if you could please include an Instagram handle. If you don't have Instagram, that's totally okay. Just make sure your YouTube message feature's on, because if it's not on, I can't contact you if you are a winner. So if you don't have Instagram, make sure you have your YouTube message features turned on. Alright, now let's dive on into what I'm giving away. This is so pretty. Trust me, I was tempted to keep it because it's so pretty, but I was like, no, girl, no. Down, girl, down. You don't need it. It is a Luxie 3-piece brush set in Summer Days. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that handle is. Oh, I love the color combo here. I'm a sucker for pink. If you can't tell, I love pink, so I absolutely love the hot pink handle. The gold, whatever this piece is, very pretty. I don't know what that's called, but the color combo is too good. It's perfect. I love it. This comes in at $28. Like I said, it's 3 brushes, so you have your 512, which is this bigger one here, a small contouring brush, and then the middle brush here is the 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. And then the last one is your 245 small shader brush. So a really great combo here, and I feel like most of us need something like this in our makeup collection. So this will be great. And then the next item is so pretty. Again, another one that I thought about keeping, but I've mentioned this before. I don't like how lavender or bluey toned highlighters wear on me. I think it's almost because I'm fair. It almost looks like a bruise, but let me tell you, even though I wouldn't rock this on my cheeks, this is going to look so stunning on the inner corner. Oh my goodness, I love a pop of color on the inner corner. Oh goodness. So, and you guys, I can speak to the quality of this brand because I already have 2 of their highlighters and they are so stunning. The formula is perfect. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in a Purple Dream. I will try to find a picture of this swatched and include it up here so you guys can see what it looks like. This is an all-natural, vegan, and cruelty-free loose highlighting powder. It can be used on the eyes, lips, and face, and the body, so very versatile. Like I said, I love using this brand. And it comes in at a whopping $27. You guys, like I said, I have 2 other of the brand. They make a beautiful highlight. And then for the third item I'm giving away, we have Appeal Cosmetics. I've never heard of this company, and it is a holographic lip gloss. And obviously, with this kind of being festival season themed, this is perfection. This really is beautiful, and I love that it's more of a translucent gloss with just kind of that pretty multi-dimensional shift in there. It says, deliver intense holographic shine to your lips with the Appeal Cosmetics exclusive launch. Oh, this is like brand new. It has argan oil in there, so it's going to hydrate the lips and give a beautiful shine. This comes in at $21. I really think this is going to be such a beautiful gloss on top of other lip products or alone, and I have a feeling this is going to give the juiciest pout ever, because that is a very bold lip gloss. It's like super shiny, which means the lips are going to look super juicy and delicious. And then the last item that I'm giving away is something everybody needs in their collection, in my opinion. It is an eyeshadow primer. I use it every day. I've got creasy lids, I've got oily lids, I have to prime. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes Primer. I've never heard of this, but it looks like a really good size. You're getting 0.33 fluid ounces. It says it's an eyeshadow primer and a base, so that usually means it's going to kind of conceal and perfect the lid before you go in with your eyeshadows, like especially if you're like me and you have some discoloration, a little veininess on the eyelids. It says, the guardian angel for your eye makeup artistry. This cruelty-free vegan formula glides onto your lids without dragging or creasing, acting like a magnet for both eyeshadow, concealer, and eyeliner. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, this sounds pretty good, you guys. And it ensures a perfectly smooth canvas for a longer lasting color payoff that stays in place all day and night. $14. So these were items I feel like someone is going to be so excited to receive. At least I know I am going to be so excited when I pull a winner and ship these off. I just love doing giveaways. I think it's so fun and exciting, and I just feel like it's my way to give back to my Lash family, because you guys are always so sweet to me, leaving me the kindest feedback, rooting me on, uplifting me, and so this is my little way of saying thank you so much. So if you want to get in on this awesome giveaway, then just make sure you are following all the details in the description box. And you guys, that is everything for today. I know this video was a little short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed it and are looking forward to this giveaway. I know I am. And before I shut this down, I gotta do my shout out of the day, and I just realized I don't even have my cell phone to do my shout out. I'm gonna have to sneak past the doggy out there who's finally being quiet. Wish me luck. Be right back. A furry little four-legged animal followed me in here. When I went out there, he was literally standing directly behind the door. I'm sure listening to every word I said. So today's shout out of the day is Amy Jackson. She commented on my recent BH Cosmetics video and said, "This is very pretty." Amy, thank you so much for your kindness and your kind words. It means the world to me. I am so glad that you are here and a part of the Lash family. Keep spreading positivity to the world, because seriously, we just need positivity. I say it at the end of my video, but I really believe it. Everybody needs more positivity in their life. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to join the Lash fam. I know you will not regret it. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I love getting interactive with you guys and sharing little snippets of my life on there with you. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.